Tired of your website looking like a jumbled mess? Let's dive into Adobe Dreamweaver and learn how to create clean, organized tables that will make your web pages much more user-friendly. First, open Dreamweaver and either create a new HTML document or open an existing one. To insert a table, start by finding the Insert tab, usually located near the top of your screen. Click on it, and you should see a menu appear with various options. Notice the Table option. Click that, and a new window will appear. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's customize our table. First, you'll see fields for the number of rows and columns. Enter the number of rows and columns you want in your table. Think about how you want your data structured. Is it a 3x2, 4x4, or something else? Choose your numbers accordingly. Next is the table width. You can choose to set it to a specific pixel width or a percentage of the page. Percentage is generally a good option for responsive web design, so your table will scale properly on different devices. Below that, there's border thickness. Decide if you want a visible border and set its thickness to the number of pixels you require, or leave it set to 0 if you want an invisible table. Once you have adjusted these settings, hit OK. Your table will appear in your document. You can now start adding content to the table cells by clicking on the different cells. To make more detailed adjustments, you can click on a cell or the table itself, and typically a Properties panel shows up near the bottom of your window, allowing you to modify cell spacing, padding, and more. This is where you can experiment and fine-tune the design and functionality of your table. And that's the basics. Now you know how to insert and customize tables in Adobe Dreamweaver. Practice creating tables to organize your content and create visually appealing web pages.